Hey friends, welcome back to Linguino English. Today we will learn how to use the simple present tense in English. When to use simple present tense. We use simple present tense for repeated actions. That includes routines and habits. For example, I drink coffee every morning. Actions that happen for a long time. For example, my sister lives in London. Facts and general truths. The sun rises every morning. We also use simple present to express feelings and emotions. For example, I love chocolate. In general, we use simple present to talk about things that happen regularly and that repeat over and over again. How to use simple present tense. Simple present verbs have two forms: base verb and verb ending with s. For example, we can write the verb eat in two forms: eat and eats. We can write the verb work in two forms: work and works. When to use base verb and when verb with s. We use the base verb when the subject pronoun is I, you, we, or they. For example, I eat pizza. You drink coffee. They live in a city. We use the verb plus s when the subject is he, she, or it. For example, he eats pizza. She drinks coffee. It sleeps on a couch. We also use the base verb when the subject is a plural noun. For example, students eat pizza. Cats sleep. We use the verb plus s when the subject is a singular noun. For example, the student eats pizza. The cat sleeps. Some verbs end with these letters. For example, go and do. We don't add s to these words but es so that we can pronounce them better. For example, he goes to school. She does her homework. Some verbs end with y. For example, study and try. Here we also don't add s, but we remove y and add ies. For example, he studies every day. She tries to speak English. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like. It helps us a lot. If you want to learn about how to use the negative form of simple present, click on this video. This was Linguino English. Thanks for watching and I will see you next time.